Have you ever wondered where the spirit world actually reside, where they come from during a mediumship reading? For example, are they already in the room with you? Are they hiding in the closets? Are they, I don't know, hiding in the attic? Well, I mean, in this video, it's going to get quite complicated. I'm going to give you a full breakdown of where the spirit world sneak about, where they hide, for those of you who are interested. If you're new to the channel, my name is Psychic Medium Jordan Coburn, and I can prove with evidence of the afterlife. I've helped thousands of people on this airplane to once again be able to reach out and contact their loved ones in spirit from the understandings and the teachings, and now it's your turn. Each and every one of you can become great mediums, and here at LPL Serve, we can give you the very foundations to forge your own unique understanding with the spirit world. Not to mention, we have the loving and supporting Help Heal Serve family. Not to forget, thank you to all of the channel members. Also, remember to let us know down in the comments if you liked this video, if you hated this video, if there's anything that you would like to know further. Well then, where did the spirit world hide? Did it hide in heaven? You've heard of heaven before, I bet you have. Did it hide in the place called hell where it's ouch, 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 it's hot on your feet? Well, unfortunately, it's neither. Both of those notions, and hang on, I can hear you shouting at your phone because I'm a medium and I've just told you heaven's not real and I've told you hell's not real. That's correct. Remember, those are both man-made concepts. What is conditioned and created by man cannot be of spirit. It can't be. It's been touched and forged by the fingers and notions of mankind with the illusions. One thing I'm going to tell you though, for those of you who are getting a little bit upset by the fact that I'm telling you that there's no such thing as heaven, I'm going to give you one better. You all like to think of your loved ones up in spirit, watching down on you, smiling and giggling from the clouds and all of this. Some of you might like to think of your loved ones down below. But I'm going to give you one thing that's smashes it out the water, to be fair. Your loved ones are with you now watching this video. They are watching, nodding, go, Jordan's right, this is right. I'm so glad that we've brought you to this channel, because the spirit will, by the way, will bring you to me. A lot of you will find these videos because they'll be like, oh, I just showed up on me feed and I'll just love your teachings. That's because you've been brought to me. There's no mistake. There's no coincidences, or coincidences, I should say. But your loved ones are with you with each and every beat of your heart, with each and every milestone that you overcome and are yet to overcome. They are by your sides. Stop thinking of them being up there, stop thinking of them being down there, and start thinking of them being with you. With each and every beat of your heart, with each and every moment and every breath that you take, the spirit world are by your side, chaperoning you through some of the most troubling times. They are watching you as you overcome the hurdles that are put in your way. And then when I say put in your way, it's not that spirit world are putting them in the way. Mankind will put hurdles in your way. It's part of the spiritual evolution. Yes, the spirit world will sometimes sculpt things and make things happen in specific ways in specific scenarios. But the point that I'm trying to make here is spirit are with you. They aren't anywhere but with you. And that's why a medium can communicate with any spirit, any given time, any given moment. We can communicate by bringing forward evidence of the afterlife. We don't have to do any special rituals. Whilst there's going to be other people that tell you do. Listen, you don't. It's absolute bogus. You don't need to think of white light encompassing your human form. You don't need to think of, listen, the second that it's a mind shift. The second that you think of spirit, you are communicating, they are there. How are they there though? Because if they're all the way up there, how can they be with you? Because they're not up there, my friends. You have been sold a lie. Mankind have told each and every one of you that your loved ones are in a place called heaven, where if they loved fishing in the materialistic plane, they're clearly going to be fishing in heaven. No, they're not. What on earth is going on there? Whilst sometimes, as part of the evidence in a mediumship reading, the loved one might come through and say, well, actually, Jordan, I like doing fishing. Can you tell me, loved one, it's me and I love doing fishing? That's the only time they will bring that as evidence. So when a medium tells you, oh yeah, your dad's up in spirit and he was a mechanic and I can see him fixing cars in spirit. No, they're not fixing cars in spirit. Materialistic items on this earth plane, need fixed. They are objects that need fixed. In spirit, we don't have that. Could you imagine if you were just walking along the street and then all of a sudden an invisible car hit you? It doesn't work like that. It's not allowed to work like that. So for each and every one of you, remember that the spirit world aren't up there, they're not down there, and they are with you with each and every step that you take. I'll get my words out, spirit are laughing. The spirit world are omnipresent, like the air that we breathe. An abundance of scientific equipment can prove of the energy realm's existence. Even in this day and age that we are living in, the skeptical minds of scientists have proven that there is a conscious energy. For mankind's sake and for the rest of humanity, it's good that mankind still don't know how to destroy energy, because that would be devastating to everyone. But yeah, I thought we would do this little bit of a video. I know I've made it quite fun, and there might be a lot of you who might be going, oh, why the Northern Spirit? But remember, stop thinking of the man-made concepts. Stop thinking of the way that you've been conditioned by man to believe. They're with you now. They're literally watching you, and not in a creepy way, but they're with you. That's much more better and comforting to know that your loved one is actually with you than thinking of them being up there or down there. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, remember to smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Let us know down in the comments if you think I've missed something. And if you did enjoy this, check out the videos pinned at the top left and right. Until the next time, bye-bye for now.